Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. My name is Haley Bode. I'm currently a sophomore at Southern Illinois University Carbondale, where I'm double majoring in agriculture education and early childhood education with a minor in horticulture. Back in Waterloo, my family and I run a specialty crop operation where we grow different vegetables and fruits to sell to local community members as well as family members. I remember vividly getting paid 25 cents for a quart bag of peeled hot tomatoes so my mom could make her salsa. So from a young age, I was always in the garden or helping mom with sunflowers or making sure we could write thank you notes for all of our customers. Here we have our blackberry bushes, which these are a hot commodity in the area. My sweet mom likes to call these her potato towers. It allows for you to grow more potatoes in a confined space so it doesn't take as much room as you would normally plant potatoes. She's always made sure that I have some sort of hand in what we do, and we have a really tight relationship, which I'm blessed to have with my mom. I think a lot of times when you think about the agriculture industry, it's automatically someone has 3,000 acres, $1.5 million worth of equipment, and 700 head of cattle. And that's just not what we have. We just have our small operation. We don't make a living off of this. Ultimately shows how important it is that we continue to provide learning opportunities for all those around us. Being a part of Monroe County Farm Bureau and working for Union County Farm Bureau as the youngest Ag in the Classroom coordinator in the state, it has provided me many avenues of growth, but I've also felt so empowered. Here at Union County Farm Bureau, I have the pleasure and honor of serving as the Union County Ag in the Classroom coordinator, where I get to go into classrooms all across Union County to provide agricultural literacy to our community. And getting to do that for K through 5th students throughout the county really is a blessing. I tell people all the time, it doesn't even really feel like a job because I just enjoy it so much. I've always been involved in Farm Bureau in a sense. Our 4-H teens as teachers was always a part of Farm Bureau with the Ag in the Classroom program in Monroe County. I've been gracious to receive scholarships in many different aspects. Eventually, I knew I wanted to give back to an organization that had given to me. And within my collegiate Farm Bureau journey, competing at collegiate discussion meet and just the quality of people in the SIU Collegiate Farm Bureau chapter is unlike anything. And it's people that are always wanting to give back to the community or find a way to better themselves through the organization. I balance everything definitely by my written agenda. I have to write everything down or else it won't happen, I'll promise you, but there's a hustle with our generation to get things done, and there's a hustle and a go-get mentality to continue to be better. My generation and the people around me are just wanting to get at it while making those changes, but making sure those changes we make are beneficial to us in the future. I think a lot of the opportunities we're presented with are by chance, but the attitude we have for each of those opportunities is a choice. We might have the opportunity to travel across the world and promote the agriculture industry, or we might have the opportunity to just sit down and read a book with a kindergartner that has never been exposed to the agriculture industry in their entire life. They think chocolate milk comes from brown cows. Those are all opportunities, and sometimes we think of them as like, oh, that's too far to go to Washington, D.C., or oh, that child doesn't need to read that book. But in reality, all of those opportunities are providing us with a purpose and also providing those that we're interacting with a purpose in their life as well. Any form of ag exposure or ag literacy to the community is vital to the success of anything. If ag doesn't go right, nothing else has the opportunity to go right.